How to make passive income from Amazon. Many people dream of making money without having to lift a finger. While this might seem too good to be true, passive income is one way for individuals to earn money without putting in a lot of effort. Passive income is defined as earnings that require little or no effort on behalf of the earner. Passive income may take the form of earnings from a rental property, a limited partnership, or a separate venture where the earner has limited involvement. One great avenue when it comes to earning passive income is Amazon. Passive income through Amazon can be a great way to develop a new revenue stream or supplement your current salary. As far as how to make passive income on Amazon, it will require some upfront work. Before you can start making passive income on Amazon, you'll have to lay the groundwork for your venture. However, once you get started, you can sit back and earn income without having to do much at all. Read this article to learn more about how to make passive income on Amazon, or use the links below to skip to any section in the article. 4. Tips for making passive income on Amazon. Passive income describes the income that an individual generates with little to no active effort. Sources of passive income often include revenue from a rental, property, or earnings from a limited partnership or some other venture where the earner isn't actively involved with day-to-day operations. Investment income is another method in which an individual can earn money without being actively involved in the company or companies they're investing in. However, portfolio income is generally considered to be non-passive income rather than passive. Can you earn passive income on Amazon? Yes. Amazon can be a great place to earn passive income. Amazon, in particular, is so good for passive income because they make it easy to fulfill orders and have systems in place that allow the seller to be more passive in the process. Keep in mind, though, that setting up an e-commerce store on Amazon will require some work to begin with. You'll have to find a unique product to sell, reach out to a supplier, and take steps to make sure your product listings rank highly for desired keywords. After the initial setup, you can use the Fulfillment by Amazon (FBA) program to fulfill your orders with minimal effort. When you use FBA, Amazon will handle the bulk of shipping logistics, thus minimizing the time and effort you have to put into your business. 4. Tips for making passive income on Amazon. Are you wondering how to make passive income on Amazon? It can be an alluring prospect for those with an entrepreneurial spirit and a desire to develop an additional income stream. If you're interested in making passive income on Amazon, check out the tips below. 1. Identify your inventory. In order to make passive income as an Amazon seller, you must first identify a product to sell. Do some research into current market trends to find products that are in demand. The challenge here will be finding a unique product that can generate profits. It may help to find a specific niche and come up with a product that caters to that specific niche. Once you identify a product you can sell, you must source your product. This means you have to find a reliable supplier that will provide you with the product you want at a price that's low enough for you to make a profit. Reach out to multiple suppliers to compare prices and terms before making a final decision. The FBA solution helps you get fairly passive earnings because you should only concentrate on finding goods to sell. You do not need to worry about fulfilling orders and shipping your merchandise daily to shoppers. 2. Set up your storefront. Building an Amazon storefront can help you showcase your products while making it easier for potential customers to navigate your e-commerce store. You can add designs, images, videos, and text to advertise your products and promote your brand. In order to set up an Amazon storefront, you have to enroll in Amazon Brand Registry. Once you fill out the brand registry application, Amazon will review the application and approve your business if it meets all of the qualifying criteria. After being approved, you'll gain access to a suite of tools that allow you to create a custom Amazon storefront. 3. Select Amazon FBA. One of the most important steps when it comes to making passive income on Amazon is opting into the Fulfillment by Amazon (FBA) program. With Amazon FBA, sellers can tap into Amazon's vast resources, getting help in everything from shipping logistics to customer service. FBA also gives your brand the Amazon Prime badge, which makes your products eligible for free 2-day shipping. This can be a great way to attract customers who want their products quickly and are used to Amazon's fast delivery times. As soon as you decide on the method, spare some time thinking about how to bring it to life. For instance, if you wish to sell your products on Fulfillment by Amazon, check what items sell well. It might take some time, but it is worth doing. Then, your first stage is to decide whether you wish to work with FBM or FBA. After that, which method will you use to sell goods, e.g., wholesale, private label, etc. Otherwise, would you instead opt for selling other people's items with the Amazon Associates system? Next, let's delve into the methods a bit deeper. 4. Monitor and optimize. Once you've sourced your product, set up your Amazon storefront, and signed up for FBA, you've navigated the most difficult parts of creating an e-commerce store on Amazon. You won't have to do much going forward, yet it's still a good idea to monitor your sales performance and optimize your storefront when needed. To best monitor and optimize your Amazon store, use Helium 10. With Helium 10, you gain access to a suite of tools that enable you to optimize a listing, conduct keyword research, and monitor crucial analytics. It's the simple way to ensure your Amazon store continues to turn a profit. Passive income through Amazon can be a great way to develop a new revenue stream or supplement your current salary. Wrapping up. For many, earning passive income is a dream. It's an opportunity to earn money without having to actively work at the venture you're engaged in. While it does require some work up front, setting up a passive income stream can help improve your financial well-being in the long term and enable you to achieve your financial goals. Finally, the ultimate Amazon bundle. Across 15 courses, rated as high as 5/5 stars, and 108 hours of content, you'll take a deep dive into all the ways you can make extra money on Amazon. From dropshipping and private labeling to self-publishing and more, you'll get a comprehensive education on scaling your passive income streams. Setting up an Amazon store is a common way to earn passive income. Outsource the shipping, logistics, and customer service aspects of your company to a business with far greater resources. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.